Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 or part 3. It's really part 3, but it's part 2 on how to make a macro. So we're going to make a macro to make our page yellow, and if you haven't watched the first couple, you might want to watch it. So we're going to hit the record button. Your macros are probably going to be under Tools, under Macros. Then you have to open the file and there start recording, but I play around with it quite a bit, so I made the icons up here. So I'm going to start recording. It's going to ask you for your name. And we're going to call it yellow page. I can't have a space. Now, as soon as I hit that OK, it started recording. Go to Tools, Customization, down to Document, Backgrounds, Solid Color. We want just a light yellow. We want to uncheck that and hit OK. Now we can stop recording. Now let's make sure that works. So let's go Tools, Customization. And I don't think there's any way to save this as default, and I wouldn't want to save it as a default. So now we got back our page. We're going to go to Macro Manager. And when you open up yours, it's going to look like that. Go to Global, Recorded Macros, and Yellow Page. And I'm just going to double click on there, and you can see it made the page yellow. So now we're going to make an icon for that. Let's just get rid of this real quick. Tools, Customization, Commands. Go up here to Macros. And we're looking for Recorded Macro Yellow. But we're just going to click on it. We're going to go General. And we're going to go, we're going to tell what the hotkey is. And I'm going to make the hotkey in just a second. But I'm going to go make it, let's just call it Yellow Box or Yellow Page. Okay. Then we're going to make a shortcut key. I'm going to hold down the Control, Shift, and the Y. It was already assigned to Yellow Page, and I forgot to delete it, but we're going to go in and assign it to this. Before you hit OK, go to your Appearance, get your pen color, and do whatever you want with it. You don't have to go through all this, but you can make it all yellow. And maybe, well, I need to get mine back. I deleted it so I could make this. But you could play around with this pen tool and get it all yellow. And you could even painstakingly put a P in there out of bright red. And I could do this later, but I'm almost through, folks. Sorry about this. I'm sure there's probably a way you could make the pen larger. And then before we do anything, we need to drag this out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it up top. And then move it till it's up top. And then you hit OK. Now it shows me Yellow Page, Control Shift Y. I want to go one step more. I'm going to left click my mouse, go to Customize, Toolbar Item. I want Caption to the right of image also. So there's my recorded macro. So that'll be there forever until you do something. So let's just make sure it works. Let's change this back. And the reason I wouldn't want it saved as default is I don't need it all the time. And I just soon look at a white background. So let's try two things. I'm going to try Control Shift Y, and it worked. This is what's nice about it. You can just go back or go right up here. Mission accomplished, macro done. It's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.